Okay. Shane back with you here. Welcome, welcome. Shane back with you here from Guitar at Work, and welcome back. This is a fun play along. This is Wild World by Cat Stevens. I'll send this out to David a week or two ago. You asked me on the YouTube comments to do a play along video for this one. And here it is. Great suggestion. Thank you for that. I've already done a video on how to play it. I'll link that here. So you'd want to go there and it'll talk about the chords and the strumming pattern way more than I will today, because this is just a play along video. Get in there. We'll play along first at a slow speed. Just do maybe a couple of verses in a chorus at a reduced speed so you get the hang of it, and then we'll go full steam ahead, okay? I'll remind you of a couple of fills here and there, and I'll send you, of course, to patreon.com/guitaratwork. Grab these sheets. I've got 2 song sheets for you, and also a little details page that has some of the fills in there. Those little fills that you're hearing, these guys, they can sound pretty intimidating, and even this guy, like that. If you're not up to doing that, just play this, stay on the chord of the moment, okay? So supposing we're jamming, and I'm taking this part, I'll do that tricky part, and you just stay on the chord of the moment, and don't let me distract you. That's part of jamming as well. Remember, these play-along videos are really all about recovery skills, right? Let's say bad things happen to good people. You're in there, you know where to pick it up again. So grab your sheets, patreon.com/guitaratwork. It doesn't have to be a lifelong commitment. Go in there and grab. I've got a ton of sheets up there, a ton of songs up there, so you just go and grab them all. And lots of good people there as well. Thank you for that. I've got it here on my trusty iPad. I will, of course, be invoking the fabulous BEATBUDDY, which you heard on the way in. This is the BEATBUDDY drum machine pedal by Singular Sound. I love it. I am proudly affiliated with that company. And while I'm using, people are always asking me, I'll put it in the comments or in the description, what pattern are you using? I'm using the Blues 2 drum pattern that comes pre-installed in your BEATBUDDY. Nothing fancy, nothing to buy, just boom, boom, boom. It's the Blues 2 pattern. And this one is coming in at 76 beats per minute. 76 beats per minute. Just dial in 76 and away you go. So that's what I'm using for this guy. And again, if you have questions about it, let me know. There's a link in the description to go grab your own BEATBUDDY. If you use the promo code GAW10, you know it, you get 10% off, and it helps us support the channel. I appreciate it. Let's get in there and play it. I'm going to bring it down to 56 beats a minute in here just a sec. Let me do that right now. 56. I'll take 20 points off of it to slow it down, and you should be able to do this slow down version. And if not, you definitely want to go back up to that video up there and figure out what the strumming pattern is from the video and what all the chords are, etc. Or you might just be able to follow along for that'd be good too. I'm going to start on an A minor chord like this guy here, and just a quick review of the strumming, basic strumming pattern. I'm going to go bass, bass, down, down, up, bass, bass, down, down, up. So if I went to intro, bass, bass, down, down, up, D7, G, bass, bass, down, C major 7. There's your basic pattern, okay? Just to remind you of that. Some of the fills in there, I'll yell fill number 1, fill number 2, and remember that other video goes through those fills in detail, so you could launch into that. But again, there's no shame in just playing the campfire version. Just try to get in there and struggle through. So at 56 beats a minute on the fabulous BEATBUDDY, it's going to give us a little intro here. I'm going to start with the intro and be ready on an A minor. I'm going to do 2 verses in a chorus. I'll show them out as best I can. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, A minor, go. D7, G coming, C major 7, F coming, D minor, here's an E twice. First verse, A minor, D7, now that I've lost, G, your thing to use, C major 7, you want to start, F, something new, D minor, breaking my heart, E, you're leaving, another E, baby I'm grieving. Second verse, A minor, D7, leave, G, take good care, C major 7, have a lot of nice things, F, to where, D minor coming, a lot of nice things, E, turn bad, G7, out there, punch, chorus, C, G, baby, F, it's a wild, big fill, G, F, C, pause, smile, another C, It's a while. Fill number 2 here, and G, F, always remember you. C, like a child. D minor to E. There we go. Okay, so that's to the end of the first chorus. You should be able to do that, not necessarily with the fancy stuff. You don't need that in there, you just stay on the chord at the moment. And I'd strongly recommend playing the song first without the fancy bits, just stay on that chord, get used to it, and then you're secretly working away at the trickier stuff, and someday you'll be able to stick that in. But it's not required in the song for you to be able to play the song, so that's huge. I am now going to go up to 76 beats a minute, and you should be able to do what we just did before you jump into this full speed play along. I'll go through the entire song at this point at full speed. And hey, a word about practicing too. If I just do, okay, I'm also, bear with me 2 seconds, I'm going to put my looper on here. And what I'm thinking is, supposing I was to loop a chorus, here's a good way to practice those fills. I'm just going to play the basic chords in the chorus. So here comes 1, 2, 3, C, G. F is I'm not going to do the fill. G, F, hard to get by, C, with just upon a smile. 4, here we go. So now that's looped, right? So what I'll do with that, why did I do that, you say? What if I'm working on the fills, let's say. I'm working on those fills, I've got that loop, and I can just throw them on in when I feel it, so I'll start it up again here, and I'll try playing fill number 1, 2, sorry, fill number 2, 4, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, here it comes. Okay, whoop, okay. There's another one. Fill number 3. Okay. Here it comes. So that might be a really good way to approach it. You put your looper in. This is the Aeros Looper by, you guessed it, Singular Sound. I love it. Best looper I've ever had. I love the screen. There's a really great visual representation of your loop. It's really hard to get lost, in other words. So I would strongly recommend that. I'll get rid of that here. And I just wanted to take a moment for you to get to know these devices are your best practice tools. I swear to goodness. So description, links are in the description. Go grab one. Promo code, you know what to do. I will now play all the way through it. So let's do it. Intro coming, and everybody grab your sheets. A minor, 1, 2, 3. Intro, A minor, D7, G, C major 7, F, D minor, double E. First verse, A minor, D7, that I lost, G to you, C major 7, F, D minor, it's breaking my heart, E and B, baby, A minor, second verse, D7, G coming, C major 7, F here, D minor, E here, punch to G7, C chorus, G, F, big fill here, G, good, F, by C, just upon a smile, C, G, baby, F, it's a wild world, F, fill, G, F, always remember you, C, like a child, D minor to E, quickies, A minor, and on, D7, G, do, C major 7 is breaking my heart, F, 2, D minor, I never E, want to see a sad girl, E again, A minor, bottom of the first page, D7, G, take good care, C major 7, a lot of nice things, F, up there, D minor, E, stop at G7, now, I had to scroll, C, G, baby, F, it's a wild world, here we go, man, G, good, hard to get by, C, upon a smile, C, good, G, baby, F is a wild, fill, here we go, G, always remember you, C, like a child, D minor to E, here we go, instrumental, A minor, D7, G, C major 7, F here, D minor, here's an E, baby I love you, baby I love, A minor, D7 if you want to leave, G, take good care, C major 7, a lot of nice, F out there, D minor, E, punch, there we go, C, double chorus, G, baby, baby, F, it's a wild, big fill here. G, hard to get, F, C, just upon a smile, another C. C, G, baby, baby, F, it's a wild world, go. G, good, F, always remember you, C, like a child, D minor to E, last chorus, now C, G, ooh, baby, F here, it's a wild world, go. G, F, 1, 5, C, just upon a smile. C, good, G here, baby, F, baby, it's a wild world, go. Always remember you stop on C like a child girl. There we go. I know that's quick and it's moving. I'll remind you again, there's a full video on how to play the song right there. Go grab that if you found that a little over your head or whatever the case may be. Go and learn it that way. And this is supposed to be just a play along video. So, hey, but for those of you that got through, good on you, fabulous, and go round and round on that. If you make a mistake here, that's okay. Just try to keep going, right? And jump in wherever you can. That's a huge skill. Recovery skills are big. And again, I'll remind you, patreon.com/guitarwork. Go grab those sheets and a ton more. And so we can do more play alongs together. I appreciate all of your comments, suggestions. Your thumbs up have meant a great deal. And again, I want to thank the people at Singular Sound, BEATBUDDY, and the Aeros Looper, my two best friends here. And it's just like having a band in your hand. I just love it. The promo code is GAW10. The links are below in the description. So go grab those. It'll give you 10% off if you use that, and helps us support the channel. Much appreciated. So hey, that was a lot of fun. Thank you again, David, for requesting that. And enjoy the rest of the day, folks. With that.